This video is a step-by-step guide that can help you set up games in Scorpbot quickly and easily. Scorpbot is a free software for streamers that can be used as a single stream bot for either Beam or Twitch, or for casters who multi-stream to Beam and Twitch at the same time. If you missed the first and second tutorials, please check out how to set up Scorpbot in 15 minutes or less, and the Scorpbot tutorial on currency. Now let's get started setting up games. Scorpbot allows viewers to play several different mini-games in chat, including slots, heists, 8-ball, and roulette. To begin, open Scorpbot and click on the Games tab. Make sure the box Game Feature Enabled is checked. This is the global setting to turn games on and off. Who can enable games? You can set that here. Permission for turning games on and off through chat, and I'll change this setting from moderator to caster. For games, let's begin with slots, which are also known as spins. Click Enable to ready the game. In the command window, type the command that will trigger the game. The command that is often used is !spin. You can set permissions for who can participate in spins, such as regulars, subscribers, or viewers with a minimum amount of hours, but I'll leave it set to everyone. In the window marked Info is where you can write any type of information about the game. The user delay is where you can set a cooldown, meaning after one game is played, another game cannot be started until a certain amount of time passes. The default user delay is set to 60 minutes, but I'll adjust the cooldown to 6 minutes. The odds of winning are set here in the Success Chance window. New viewers, regulars, subscribers, and moderators can all have varying chances of success. The spin message window shows what the bot will display when a bet is made. If you've set a user delay, the Not Ready window displays a message that informs viewers that a cooldown is in place. The Success window shows what the bot will display if viewers win the spin, and the Failure window shows what the bot will display if viewers lose the spin. In the bottom text box, you can edit the success and failure message. For instance, if you want to change the success message, click on Success, type your message, and then click Save. Bank heists are similar in setup, and Scorpbot's default settings make it easy. Again, make sure the game is enabled, and then in the command window, type the command you will use to trigger the game, or use the preset !heist. Set the maximum points that viewers can gamble to enter the game, and then set the cooldown and the start delay in minutes. The start delay is the time between a viewer using the command and everyone else joining the bank heist. Set the minimum users needed to start a heist, and also set the permission, which is the rank you need to join the game. The success change window is the same as it is in the slot section. The payout percentage is how much more a new viewer, a regular, a subscriber, and a moderator will get when winning. Below are a host of entry messages the bot displays in various situations. When you join the heist, if you've already joined the heist, if there's a cooldown in place, and so on. To edit any of these messages, simply type directly into the appropriate window. 8-ball is a game that finds answers to your questions. Again, enable the game, set the command and the permissions, and click Save. Scorpbot comes with 19 default responses. If you want to add a response, simply highlight the phrase in the bottom window, type over the existing response, click Save, and Scorpbot will create a new response for you. Now when you type !Q followed by a yes or no question, the bot will display your answer. The popular casino game Roulette is another fun game found in Scorpbot. There's not much to the roulette page, but here is where you set the cooldown, the maximum bet allowed, and the maximum amount of bets each viewer can make. To trigger the game, type !Roulette. The bot will display a message that the game has begun. Now the table is open for bets, and you can bet many ways. Players may choose to place bets on either a single number from 1 to 36, on red or black, or on odd or even numbers. So for example, if you want to bet 100 points on black, type !bet black 100. To bet 100 points on the number 8, type !bet 8 100. To bet 100 points on even numbers, type !bet even 100. When a caster needs a short break, the random number game can come in handy to keep the viewers active in chat. To begin, make sure the game is enabled at the top. Type your command that will launch the game and set the permissions. Now in your chat window, type !random number plus a number. So for example, by typing !random number 200, your viewers now have to enter a random number between 1 and 200. The first viewer to correctly guess the random number wins. The winner and the winning number will show up when the game is over. The last game is Russian Roulette. Once again, enable the game, then set the command, the permissions, the cooldown, and the maximum bet. You can also set the bet time, the length of time viewers have to enter the game. To start a game of Russian Roulette, type !RR and a number. All bets add into a single pool and one winner is randomly chosen. And here are the messages the bot will display depending on the situation. In a nutshell, this is how you set up games in Scorpbot. There are many other features to this software, including commands, song requests, hosting, and alerts. The next video will cover graphics and how to connect them with Soundwave. And thank you to this guy Tom for that suggestion. But let me know which Scorpbot section you'd like to see after that. Until then, this is WASD, and I'll see you in the next video.